I'm Cassandra Schubert, the Reliability Manager with Weyerhaeuser Dodson Lumber. So Weyerhaeuser, we take raw material, which is a log for us, and we convert it into dimensional lumber. We do that through a process using advanced manufacturing techniques, so that's going to involve a lot of PLCs as well as sensors and equipment. At Weyerhaeuser Dodson, we employ electricians all the way from an electrical apprentice to an electrical master. They also have the opportunities to be superintendents. The same for our maintenance team. We hire mechanical apprentices all the way up to level 5 millwrights. Then we also have the opportunity to be a master mechanic, a master lead, or a maintenance superintendent. And PLC controls, we have PLC techs and PLC leads. We also have mobile equipment operators and equipment operators for our stationary production equipment. We start out, our entry-level position pays $18.55 an hour, and there's an opportunity to increase your pay after you finish your probationary period. We also have dental and vision and 401k.